Hello everyone, welcome back to another project. Today we are going to make a line follower robot without using a microcontroller. To make this robot, we need few components, that is a chassis assembled with the bevo motors and the wheels, a IR sensor with a customized bracket, a relay, a 3.3 volt lithium battery, and few wires. Okay, so let's start the assembly. We'll fix the IR sensor with the customized mounted bracket onto the front of the chassis. If you want the fixing video or the assembling video of this chassis, please check our description. We'll post the link below. So once we fix our IR sensor here, we'll take our relay and position it so that both the positive of the motor wires can be fixed in this holder. Once you have positioned this, connect both the ground wires, connect both the black wires of the bevo motors, and if you see, the relay has three pins. One is N0, COM and NC. Connect these two wires on the either sides. This red wire on the N0 and this red wire on the NC port. Now take take any wire, okay, and fix this wire in the COM section in the COM pin of the relay. Once you have fixed the wires, make sure all the wires are screwed in tightly. Now we are going to fix few wires to the IR sensor. So make sure you take female to female wires, where one end of the wires should have the holder, another end should have two wires splitted in to expose the copper wire, and one with the header. So we'll fix three wires here. Once you fix this wire, make sure the out pin, that is the wire which is fixed in the out pin, is connected to the in pin of the relay. Okay. Once this is connected, now you need two more separate wires with the same idea, that is having the female headers in the front and exposing the two copper wires in the back. So once you have these two wires, connect one wire to the ground of the relay and another to the VCC of the relay. So once you have connected this, pretty much all the wire connections are done. So fix the VCC of the relay, VCC of the IR sensor, which is okay. Why is that being fixed positively? Ground and out. Okay. The VCC of the relay and the VCC of the IR sensor, we have to connect. We have the wire and both the grounds as well as the same. Once we do this, connect the VCC wires to the common wire which we have taken from the relay. Once you have connected this, connect the ground wires with the black wires which we took from the Vivo motors. Once this is done, take the 3-volt lithium ion battery, fix it in the back. Make sure you connect the ground wire first. Once you have connected this, you can connect the positive wire. So once you connect the positive wire, the whole circuit turns on. So it's like uh, hmm. So whenever the IR sensor is not detecting, this motor will run. Once the IR sensor is detecting, this motor will stop and this motor will run. Let's test it out. Let's check out the output of a line follower.